Hello everyone, how to tours back with another video. Today I'm gonna share with you how you can download and install Microsoft Loop in your smartphone. Okay, so Microsoft released a new Android app, a new site. It's called Microsoft Loop. So how can you download this? Watch the video to learn, then you will learn. So that's why you need to go Google Play Store, or you can also go App Store if you are an iPhone user. So then here you'll search, you have to search here Microsoft Loop, then enter, or and click on the first one, and here you can see Microsoft Loop Alexis. Basically it is think, plan and create together. So it's the team, okay, like team or plan. You can plan with other, and if you want to get more idea about this, then here you can see some option like welcome to Loop preview for Android. We are so excited for you to try it and share your thoughts with us. So it's amazing. So simply go back from here and click install, and then it takes a few times to install in a device, and I will create more video how to create account and how to use this in upcoming tutorial. Today's no more friend, thank you for watching this tutorial.